Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
So thanks for creating time to meet us, to join us. Thank you so much.
No, it's my duty.
Thank you. It's really children are really blessed and they'll be motivated. Great.
Definitely. Sure.
Good afternoon, all. As we are starting the session, I'd like Devi ma'am to welcome our community.
Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of Kanchi ATL, I extend my warm welcome to our mentor, Mr. Arun Subramaniam, sir, the person who encouraged the students towards the innovation. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Then I would like to welcome all the parents, those who are supported us continuously. Welcome all the parents. And last and importantly, I would like to welcome all the staffs and students who are an integral part of this ATL and all have always supported for the vision and mission of the ATL. Welcome staffs and welcome parents. Last but not the least, I welcome senior principal and principal for their unconditional support towards the ATL. Welcome, ma'am. I request all for your kind cooperation throughout the program and making it a grand success. I welcome you all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. AIM celebrates Atal Community Day as an honorary remembrance of Dr. Ambedkar. So let's hear a few words about him from our Atalite Harini. Harini?
Ma'am.
Go ahead, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Good evening to all present here today. I am Harini from 8th standard. We all know that Indian history is fulfilled with many patriotic freedom fighters and social reformers. One famous name among them is Bhima Rao Ramji Ambedkar. I am going to share few points about Bhima Rao Ramji Ambedkar. Bhima Rao Ramji Ambedkar was a man of many talents and profession. He is popularly known as Baba Sahib. He was born on 14th April 1891. In his birthday only, we are celebrating the Atal Community Day. His father is Ramji Maloji Sakbal and his mother name is Bhima Bai Sakbal. His father is a Subedar in the Indian Army and his mother is a housewife. His original name is Sakbal, but his father registered his name as Ambavadekar because his native village name is Ambavade. Ambedkar's teacher, Mahadev Ambedkar, was fond of him, so he changed his name as Ambedkar. His caste is Dalit, which is a lower caste, so everyone will treat him as a slave. In future, he was a driving force behind the Dalit Buddhist movement. He is the only one in his family to pass in the exam and gone for higher studies in Elphinstone High School, where he became the only untouchable student. Then he studied in Elphinstone College, which was affiliated with Bombay University, where he got a degree in economics and political science. And then he studied in Columbia University with the help of the scholarship given by Baroda state government. In Columbia University, he had become the first Indian to get 2 Master of Arts, MA. Then he studied in London School of Economics, where he had a master degree and a Doctor of Science in Economics. In London School of Economics, Baba Sahib completed 8 years of studies in just 2 years and 3 months. For this, he studied 21 hours a day. He also completed his 3rd doctorate in Columbia University and 4th doctorate in Osmania University. During 1930s to 40s, people were so much into casteism. One reason behind this may be the attitude prevalent in the Indian civilization, whereby the kings were the superiors and the people who did the household works belonged to the lower caste. At that time, the Indian society was badly in need of a social reformer, and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar fulfilled that role. Ambedkar promoted education among the untouchable by practicing a law in Bombay High Court. The aim of this practice was to uplift the so-called untouchable community. The first organized attempt to promote education and socio-economic outcasts is Bahiskrit Hitakarni Sabha. He led a satyagraha on opening up public drinking water resources for untouchables. Also, Ambedkar strongly supported for the rights of lower castes to enter temples. Here are a few inspiring points about Ambedkar. He was the first Law Minister of India and father of Indian Constitution. He was the #1 scholar of the world. He had 32 degrees and have a knowledge in 9 languages. He was the first Indian to get a doctorate degree in economics from abroad and the only Indian whose statue is in the London Museum. Ambedkar Jayanti is the biggest Jayanti in the world. The credit of giving place to Ashoka Chakra in the Indian tricolor also goes to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. He was a master in 64 subjects. He is the one who have written many books and stories. I am ending my speech with his quotes. They cannot make history who forget history. Be educated, be organized, and be agitated. Thank you.
Very nice.
Thank you, sir.
Harini. Now, Pon Soundarya of Standard 8 will give a short note on Community Day. Pon
1
Soundarya.
minute. Harini, beautiful, full of information. All the best. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good. Yes, Soundarya.
Yes, ma'am. Welcome everybody. I'm Poncho Andarya from 8th standard A section. I'm going to do a presentation. Atal Community Day. Atal Communal Harmony. Communal harmony means not differentiating a people based on their caste, creed, gender, and their color, studies, everything. Communal Harmony Day. To distract these things, we are celebrating every year Communal Harmony Day so that people can improve their character from this. Yes, ma'am. Atal Community Day. On 14th April 2018, Atal Community Day was celebrated. One of the most overwhelming experiences I had recent past. As a mentor of for change, I celebrated a day with DLDAB, Shalmira Bagh. The day was celebrated with great enthusiasm and focus on INBLINK. Do it yourself, teamwork and innovation for all. Next, ma'am. Why it is important? Communal harmony is important because it improves the procedure of assessment, articulate, encourage trust, admiration, peace, harmony, respecting equity. Yes, ma'am. What is the role of Dr. Ambedkar in communal harmony? He supported the people on getting the equal opportunity for them. So, Dr. Ambedkar plays a major role in communal harmony and social justice. What are the role of students in maintaining the social harmony? Yes, students play the main role because we are studying in the school at the whole. So students can friends with many people so they can grow their characters on this. Next, ma'am. What is the harmony in nature of human values? Harmony is usually identified as a human value, referring on the compatibility and according to feelings, actions, relationships, opinion, interests, etc. It denotes the state of balance among the forces, influencing and even opposing one another. Yes, ma'am. What can we do promote social harmony in our community? It is good to be vulnerable and open to your friends and family. Spending quality is another way of maintaining social harmony. Connect with neighbors. Also participating in social events like football, church events, social gatherings, and small groups. Hang out with friends once in a while. Yes, ma'am. Next, ma'am. What are the benefits of living? What are the benefits of living in harmony? It leads to increase the productivity and trade, maintains a friendly relationship, promotes a good communication between nations and people over the world, no war and conflicts among the nations, the development of economy and culture, increase in safety, less crime will be recorded, develops a positive social connections. Next, ma'am. How can we live harmony with everyone? Celebrate life with passion. Your chances be born basis tiny and yet you are here. Show gratitude and appreciation. Learn how to communicate. Know what you want. Have compassion. Teach others how to treat you. Thank you, everybody.
Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Ponsaundarya.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now,
Very good.
Sailesh.
Thank you, ma'am.
Soundarya, good as usual. Good.
Now I call Sailesh, our student ambassador of Atal Lab, to share his experience on Atal Tinkering Labs.
Hi everyone, I'm Sailesh Kumar. First of all, good evening everyone. I'm Sailesh Kumar, studying in 10th standard. I'm here to share my experience in Atal Tinkering Lab.
Sailesh,
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute. Devi, why not we ask the students to switch on their video when they speak?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Sailesh, switch on your video.
Thank you, Sailesh.
Good to see Sailesh.
Hi everyone, I'm Sailesh Kumar, studying in 10th standard in Kanji Shankara Academy Metric Higher Secondary School. Here to share some of my experience in Atal Tinkering Lab. I entered Atal Tinkering Lab in the 6th year. I made a homemade mosquito trap and won a cash prize of ₹500 from Niti Aayog. From this incident, I realized that Atal Lab is only for an innovative person. So now let me share some of my other achievements with you. Next. In Atal Community Day 2019, I have conducted a workshop on both robotics and electronics, and I have people from other schools have came and learned many things from me. Next. I have participated in Veetukoru Vingyani competition in 2019 and won second prize. It is a district level competition. So I have made a smart city for this competition. It is my it's my best achievement in the district. Next.
Very good.
Every year, Tinkerfest will be conducted in schools having Atal Lab. I have participated and won second places in 3 of these Tinkerfest in our school, Kanji Shankara Academy Metric Higher Secondary School, and in Subhaya Vidyalaya Girls Higher Secondary School, and also in Kamalavati Matriculation Higher Secondary School. Next. And I have participated in International Robotic Competition, IRC and Makeathon held by Avishkar. Our team represents our state in the national level competition at Delhi. We have been selected in the state level the first level, and have been participated in the national level. There we will gain many experience about how to present our projects and etc. Next. These are some pics that I have taken in that competition. Next. Our team won state level and participated in the national level first Lego League competition held by EduTech and Lego. In this, our team have been judged by many criteria by presenting on PPT and many other projects, and also doing some tasks with the robot. Next. And all of these achievements brought an award Atal Student Innovator from Niti Aayog. So I wish all of you will be motivated by my speech and will be gaining many experience from this. Next. Thank you.
Very nice, Sailesh. All the best.
Thank you, sir.
So appreciation, Sailesh. Congratulations. You are very much focused. Okay, I admire you the way you carry on your activities, and having come to 10th standard, doesn't mean that you have to stay away from Atal Lab. You should be there and you have to come up with lots of ideas and you have to give guidance to your juniors. All the best, Shailesh. Well presented.
Thank you. Thank you.
Well.
Thank you, Shailesh. An inspirative experience, of course. It's time to get cheered up. Shall we have a small game?
Yes.
Yes. Devi ma'am.
Have you all ready, students?
Yes, ma'am.
So the game name is connection. What is meant by connection?
We are connecting something.
Yes. In our lab, we are connecting with the help of their connecting wires, jumper wires. Like that, in the game, I will show some picture and I'll give them some clues. You have to find out the Atal electronics. It may be a robotics components. You have to identify that. Shall we play?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. First one.
Resistor.
How?
A sister.
Anyone? Can you explain? The clue is limit the electric current. It is an electronic component. It is used to limit the electric current. What is the name?
Resistor.
Yes. How? Can you explain?
I mean, the first picture there is
One. Harini, please explain now.
Ma'am, in the first picture, you have written that RE, which means
Okay.
E, and the next there is a sister and the brother. So resistor.
Yes, very good. The answer is resistor. Resistor is an electronic component which is used to limit the electric current. Next, be ready. Try to find it, ma'am. It is used to detect something. Digital mobile network that is widely used by mobile phone users. Just connect and find the word. Anyone? What is the first picture means?
GSM.
Yes, correct. Can you explain, ma'am?
Ma'am, first G, next
Yes.
clicking S picture,
Yes.
many M.
Yes. So the answer is? So the answer is Harini?
GSM, madam.
GSM means?
Global System for Mobile Communication.
Yes. Thank you, ma'am. Good. Next one. It is used for the precise control for angular position, acceleration, and velocity. Connect and find. What is the first picture means?
Robot.
Yes, robot. What is the robot doing?
It is working.
Food.
So, yes, right. Then connect.
Servo motor.
Yes.
Servo motor.
Yes. Servo motor. Servo motor. It is used for the control of angular position, acceleration, and velocity. Good. Next one. It is a component which transfers the electrical energy from one electrical circuit to another. Connect and find. What is the first picture?
Life cycle of butterfly.
Yes. The larva dash into butterfly.
Caterpillar.
What, ma?
Caterpillar.
Yes. The larva dash into butterfly. Fill the sentence.
Caterpillar, ma'am. Caterpillar.
No.
And pupa.
What, ma?
Transistor. And pupa.
Not a transistor, but you find partially, ma.
Transformer.
Yes, transformer. It transfers the electrical energy from one electrical circuit to another. Then final one. It is a meter which combines the several measurements functions in one unit.
Multimeter.
Yes. Can you explain, Kritika?
Yes, ma'am. A woman is doing many works, multi-works. So the second picture denotes that a meter. So I combined it to multimeter.
Yes, very good, Kritika. The answer is multimeter. Then we can go for a 2x2 connection. What is meant by 2x2?
Connecting two words with two words.
Yes, just you have to guess the common word or homophone. Okay, va? First picture. Guess the common word or homophone. What is the first picture?
A lady is washing her face, ma'am.
Face. The second picture?
Soccer.
See, face. Then second picture?
Ma'am, switchboard.
No. Common
Current
word. You have to
face.
find the common word.
Soccer.
No. What is the first
Face,
picture?
madam.
Face, phase.
Face.
Ma'am, in the switch there will be 3.
Yes, yes. Very good, sir.
Sorry, I jumped in before the students could answer.
No
Sorry,
problem,
I won't.
sir. So face is the right answer. So first one is the face. The second one is the face. Face and neutral. The second. Guess the common word. What is the second picture means? I think you all already know this sensor.
IR.
Yes. IR means?
Ma'am, in Brahmins we will say IR.
No. Yes, you are right. The first picture is IR. I am asking the sensor name, IR. What
IR
is
sensor, madam.
IR means?
Something to do
The
with
full
red.
form?
Infrared sensor.
Infrared sensor.
Yes, infrared sensor. Then, third picture. Guess the common word. What is the first picture, Ma?
Ma'am, seat.
Think more. Relate the
What
second
is-
picture and
What is behind the seat?
Tire.
no.
Carrier.
Yes, carrier. Your answer is right, Pun Soundarya. Then next one, Ma. Guess the common word. I think it is very easy.
Sensor.
Sensor.
Yes, sensor. Correct. Then, just connect.
Plug.
Plug. Yes, very good. The final one.
Shock.
Chuck. Yes. Have you all enjoyed this game?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you for your response. Thank you, sir.
Very nice, very nice.
Very cute, mom.
Thank you, ma'am.
Enjoyed it. Good. Nice.
Hope you all enjoyed, children. Now we request our resource person, Mr. Arun Subramanian, sir, to give away his valuable speech. Sir, please, sir.
Sure. I think I'll make it really short. My first visit to the school was in 2017, December, I think. And I had come and spent a couple of days there. And then I came again in 2018 in July. And in 2019, what I noticed at the school was that it is not one of those many schools that exist in India. It's a very special school because the students are extremely bright. The students have been extremely, understanding of things. They were up to date with what is happening everywhere. They were already inquisitive and wanted to learn more. And with a great support system provided by the principal and the staff of the school, I was very clear that this school is going to do really well. And the proof of what I felt would be the way the school would progress with the intelligent students was in the many awards that the students have won, that the teachers have encouraged students to participate in terms of competitions, and also in terms of the school and along with the staff and the children of the school, encouraging and supporting other schools in and around Tiruchendur. It is not enough that we alone should grow. Along with us, everybody else should grow. Unless all of us are happy, just one person in one colony being happy will not help, because everybody else will be sad and his happiness will also disappear. So if everybody has to be happy, then we have to help and encourage everyone. I saw that happening. Then I also saw that the school, in the school, there was a garden patch. It's very important that we connect with the soil, with Mother Earth. We know how to grow things. At least we know how they are grown, the conditions, so that we understand how much of a difficulty the farmers undergo, both physically and of course monetarily, to produce the food that we all consume. And what I also noticed was that this is one place where the kids actually spoke very boldly. They were very articulate. They could explain things very easily. They had some very good ideas that they tried to come up, that they tried to convert into a prototype. So all in all, I think this is a place for great learning, and it is probably going to be one of the best schools in India, thanks to the students and the teachers, who have collaboratively got it up to this level. And it is important also that, like I said, sharing it with the other schools, the other schools that are not as fortunate as the school, to have a great set of teachers and students, to help them, to support them, and also to let them gain in this experiential journey that we are all undergoing. Science, whether it is mathematics, whether it is economics, whether it is arts and history, everything is important and everything has a relevance. Along with we knowing how things are and how things work, it's also important to understand how they started. Last week, when I was giving a very brief introduction of AI, the number of questions that the students asked was so it made me so excited that I've already started looking at maybe if I should do 1 or 2 more such classes on AI. I think the encouragement for the teachers or for people like me who are part of this Atal Innovation Mission, we get encouraged when we get positive response from from the children and from the school, which I get in abundance from the school as well. So continue this path. Think of how you can build something new, something relevant that will be useful for human beings, and work towards it. And I'm sure all of you, I think in another 15 years from now, all of you from the school will be a very famous scientist or a very famous teacher or a businessman or an arts person. That is how I see this school, the children of the school developing into. And I wish you all the best, and don't give up learning. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Great to hear such feedbacks from you, sir.
I only said the truth.
It was nice to hear, sir. Now I call Mr. Rajesh Kumar, our Atal in charge, to give a short note on the workshop that is to be conducted this week.
Guys, good afternoon to all. So I would like to share the workshop details. So on behalf of Innovative Day, we are going to celebrate one workshop, that is wiring workshop, on the 21st of this month. That is day after tomorrow. So we got planned on this Wednesday. So here I would like to ask one question. So usually if any one of the tubelight in your home does not glow properly, means what we do? Anyone?
We will check off the wire, sir.
We
will roll the tube, whether it's work or not.
Yes, okay then.
In cube bulb-like structure, we will adjust that in cube lights.
Okay.
Choke.
Yes. If any problems in choke, you can be able to find that.
We will change the choke alone.
Yeah, choke alone. So usually we called for one electrician, correct? Yes. So here my question, why we are called for electrician? We can do it ourselves. That's the main aim. So every month we had one workshop. Every month we had one workshop. We can discuss the widely used electrical applications in our home. So we can make our connections by our own thought. So I humble request to you all must participate. It is based on only an online mode. So all of you please join by Wednesday morning 9:30 a.m. Not only for our school students, all the school students and staffs also can participate. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Children, make use of this opportunity, get benefited, join the workshop. Now the most awaited moment, prize announcements.
Ma'am, I have one doubt.
Yes.
Yes, Niranjana, go ahead, ma. What is your doubt?
Niranjana?
Ma'am, which day?
Yes, ma'am. Niranjana?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Proceed, ma'am. What is your doubt?
Ma'am, which day competition writing?
Which day?
Electric.
That workshop. Day after tomorrow, ma'am.
Day after tomorrow.
Okay. Ma'am, Zoom app or which app?
Yes, ma'am. Online only we plan. I'll share the link with you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Please share it, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Niranjana, which school you are from?
Sri Kanchi Shankara Bhagavad Metric High Secondary School.
Okay, good. Comedy Kotai.
Yes, ma'am.
Standard you are in?
8th.
There are many students. I'm really in your school. I'm really happy that you have taken steps to join us. Congratulations, Ranjana. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am.
Niranjana, ask your friends also to join, ma.
Okay, ma'am.
First of all, I would like to thank all the participants, those who are involved in DIY activity. So let me see the best performance. So for 6th standard newspaper competition, we choose on best performance. So name Rakshan Ramachandran from Gandhi Vidyasram School. Best, congratulations.
Very nice.
Thank you.
Then for 7th standard balloon car making, our school student Sri Ram got a best performance. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Very nice.
And then for 8th standard, we are choosing 2 best performance. First, under the topic of coconut shell and utensils. So for best performance, Harini for making coconut hand sanitizer. Harini, congratulations.
Nice.
Thank you, sir.
And here also another one best performance, Kritika from Shanmuga Sundara Nadar Metric High Secondary School for making coconut shell lamp cover. Congratulations, Kritika.
Very nice. Very nice.
Thank you, sir.
Then for 9th standard, simple circuit. So only one best performance. Harish Ram from our school got a best performance. Congratulations, Harish.
That's...
Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations, participants and winners. Now we'd like to hear some suggestions about the session. Any feedback, children?
The session was very interesting, ma'am. We shared our sense.
Thank you, Ponsoundariya.
Thank you, ma'am.
Any parents? Mrs. Surya Kala, ma'am, I think you are joining.
Sailesh?
Okay, can I have a word?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and I am here to appreciate you all and thank you for the good work you are doing. Arun sir, being there as a remote, and you are of a lot of support to us. And if you think that we are improved a little and your part is there, you play a major role. And on behalf of the management, Arun sir is there, he's available.
Yes, I'm very much there.
Yeah, on behalf of the management, I thank you so very much, sir. The thing is, my kids are really fortunate. I understood it only after attending your session on artificial intelligence. And thereafter, I have started, the team members have started giving feedback about your sessions, all how you break it into small modules and make it very easy and help the students to understand things. Thanks. It's,
most welcome.
Thank you so much. And the words you spoke about our school and our students is really, really motivating, sir. I think the first day of the week, my day is made. I'm really happy. It definitely encourages me. And I appreciate Devi Anushya, Shanmukhpriya, Navira, and Rajesh, the big team with the Kanji ATL. Appreciation. Thank you. And I know you are putting hard efforts to make these things happen. Unmindful of what is happening outside, and long run, at least in 5 years time, we have to make it into a great knowledge hub. Are blessed and wished. People should here must serve as a center for many students, and we have to keep on sharing knowledge. And we are doing it with a limited number of students. Harini, Pon Soundarya, Shailesh, all great appreciation. Kindly encourage your friends and see to that more participants are there. And I appreciate the participants from neighboring schools. Kindly, as Rajesh requested, kindly ask your friends all to join this. I don't know how have you taken, but I have taken it very seriously. It definitely inspires us. Great work, team. And Arun sir, thank you. Appreciation to all the students. And a small thing, Harini, whatever projects you do, please share it in the group so that when we come across a relevant information, relevant to the project in your hand, we will also be able to support you with the information. So people don't be a silent reader there in the group. Whatever you do, what is there? Please share everything in the group. All the best. God bless you. Good luck. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yeah, as we have come to an end, it's time to thank all who made this meeting successful. A special thanks to our dear mentor, sir, who has always given his valuable time and knowledge. Then our management.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir. Then our management, our senior principal and coordinator who has been our continuous guidance and support. Then our community of teachers and students. Thank you so much all. And I wish this community grows bigger and healthier. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.
Thank you.
Thank you all. Take care and all of you, please stay safe.